You see that old green in there? Oh, black walnut or something. They cut all these trees, you know. It always kills me when I see all these mass tree extractions, you know. You got Commish Rubio talking about planting trees, and I'll tell you, everywhere I go, chainsawing down. Well, maybe there's a reason for it. I don't know. These don't look diseased, but you know, I'm not an arborist. But you can see all of them here. Somebody's put those. See, I mean, that looks like a healthy tree to me. I mean, this is just somebody's fucking around. I don't see the rot down the middle like that, so I'm not really sure. You can see there's quite a bit of old growth trees in here. Got the crows cawing at us there. This guy's just staring at us. You see that beautiful green? It's a black walnut, but I'm not sure. Anyway, 72nd. It's the great, I don't know what you call it. You know, it's like the Portland tree planting operation. You know, this is the great environmentalism. Portland right here. You know, so you look at the rings there. It's hundreds of years old, man. They just bam. I understand some of these homeowners don't want them falling on their place, and to be honest, a few of them have come up from high winds up over here, but not really any housing danger. Anyway, peace out. Soggy Bottom, Portland, Oregon.